Hey friends, if you wish to fix when a Lenovo keyboard is not working on your system, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So before anything else, right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the accessibility tab on the list on the left hand side. Scroll down and select keyboard and turn all of these three switches for sticky filter and toggle keys off. Once this is done, search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Now expand the list for keyboards. Right click on each keyboard and update the drivers. Right click on this keyboard and update the drivers. Okay. So this is how you can make sure that the Lenovo keyboard is working, and if it's an external keyboard, I will suggest you to change the battery. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.